guys, how are you? Hi, welcome back to this channel. My name's MJ, as the channel name states. If you're a new member here, thank you for passing by, and if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, if you are a returning subscriber, child, you're my awesome person. Me. Oh my goodness. Yes, thank you guys for stopping by, and feel most welcome. If it's your first time here, first time seeing this pretty face, please let's meet on the other videos that you haven't caught up with. How about that? It's a good thing. Yes. Now guys, let's continue with today's video. Yes, one thing about me, I'll talk using my hands. I think you guys should put, I think, 10 shillings. 10 shillings each and every time I talk using my hands. Plug it 10 shillings in the comment section. 10 bob. Let's see how many 10 bobs these are going to be. Anyway, I'm glad that you guys are here. So on today's video, it's just going to be about inside the home. Yeah, so we are gonna do some cleaning. I want to do some cleaning in my kitchen, clean and organize my pantry, to be specific, because child, let's not even say that I was keeping it for the content. This is just being too lazy, and the laziness has caught up with me. Yes, otherwise guys, I really want to appreciate you so much for being here, for stepping here, and guys, I want to appreciate myself. I want to appreciate myself. Guys, you guys know how I've been struggling with this shit. Well, I am sorry, I didn't say that. You guys know how I've been struggling with myself. I told you at some point I was in the lows, but I'm seeing progress. I am seeing progress. Like, I am back to the zone, and I'm glad that I've learned to catch up. Like, if I know this thing is gonna make me feel in a certain way that is going to distract my mood or to mess around with my emotions, I just learn how to handle it. Because one thing I've learned about content creation, child, if you don't have the mood, you don't have the mood. And if you don't have the mood all the times, then you will not have content. Yeah, so I'm proud of myself that I've learned that, and I know it, and I'm working on it, and I'm working on myself, and you guys you can see the consistency. Well, can someone comment in the comment section, consistency, #consistency. Yeah guys, so anyway, yeah, so I am glad that I'm at a better space. I'm glad that I'm doing much better, thanks to my girl June. Hey, June, hey, yeah, thanks to her. Yeah, I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful to her. And also want to thank you guys for subscribing to her channel. The people who have not subscribed yet, please go to June's channel. She's called June Kiro. Kindly subscribe to her channel. She's on a road to 1,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate I would really appreciate when you subscribe, because we're really in that 1,000. She needs to get there, and her content is dope. Yeah. So guys, kindly let's proceed with today's agenda, because if I continue this, it will be too much. It will be too much. And before, disclaimer, don't bring your judgmentals in this video, because even your host, because today I'm telling you it's gonna be bad. I am telling you what you're gonna see. Even me myself, I know it is going to shock me. It is going to be bad. So I have psychologically prepared you that you just you just understand. If you see anything bad, if you see everything messed up, just say, oh, even me, my house sometimes it's like this. Oh yeah, this is it's a girl being a girl. It's just sometimes people get lazy. Yes, just use those comments. Restrain yourself from saying, well, when you were saying stand, when you can, don't say like that. Don't say like guys, bye. See you next. So guys, that's the state of the nation. This, look at that garbage, look at this sink, look, just see, everything is everywhere. If I dare open for you down here, this place, this one, here, you're gonna see wonders. So let's work on this and make the kitchen look spotless. Yeah. Yo, guys, I just removed you a bit from that time-lapse thing so that I can show you this cute. It's called what? A sponge rack or something. I thrifted this. One thing about which I will thrift. When I went to the supermarket, and also when I saw the thrift shops online, they were selling this stuff. I think it's 800 or something. 850, 800, 650. I've never seen it below 500. Guess what? I think I thrifted this thing for 300 or 350, and it's color white. I saw most of you guys loved my egg tray, so the same place where I thrifted this is where I got the egg tray, just within my estate, and I really love it. Yeah, like it keeps me on check to clean. When I see this thing dirty, I know that my kitchen is dirty. Otherwise, that's just what I wanted to comment on, guys. Yes, so let's continue. Why am I even doing that and we're continuing? Aki, I don't know. I just like finishing some. Really? Okay, let's continue. Guys, our caretaker has decided his own decidedness. We don't have water, as you've seen. But it's just over right now. I just feel bored because I wanted to do this work and get done with it. Because child, well, this one, if it stopped, it may cost. So I'm gonna wait for some time, see if water is going to come back. We continue. Of course, it will have to come back. I just don't know. I even don't know what I'm going to do as I wait, because, well, let's see what I'll do. Yeah, that's it. So, guys, let me go actually ask him what's up, and then see what will happen. Yeah, guys, water is back. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna finish doing those dishes, and what I've eaten lunch. During that break I was eating lunch. So can we continue, people? Can we? Ding ding. Yo, guys, yeah, this cleaning is taking forever and I haven't even touched the upstairs. Though the upstairs is not badly off, I'd done it. My major issue was these lower cabinets. These ones were bad. They were very, very bad and terrible. Now, guys, a friend of mine gave me this hack for using, this is sufficient, yes, but it's not sufficient, it's acid. For using acid to remove these tough stains. So that's what we want to try. And as you know, acid has a pungent smell, it chokes badly. So we're just gonna see how it goes. So that's the dirt. Let's see if it's gonna work or not, child. So I don't know what happened to this thing, because it's now not spraying. See, the acid is removing smoke. Means it's very, very active. So I want to see if these things are gonna come out. Is this all sink shenanigans? I don't like how dirty this sink is. So let's observe how it goes. So that's it. I don't know whether it's going to clean. So I don't know whether I should scrub or what happens. Well, it's hot. It's hot. Seems like it's working. What do you guys think? Yes, guys, we are at the end of the video. Thank you for stopping by here. Thank you for watching my content today. If you haven't caught up with my other videos, please kindly do check them out. Let's meet over there. I can't wait also to see you on my next one, because I'm always happy to have you around. Otherwise, bye bye. Let's meet on my next video.